Hey guys, Chris here with Worksport truck bed covers, and in this video we're going to show you how to properly measure your truck bed. To gather a proper measurement, you're going to measure from the inside of the tailgate to the inside of the bulkhead. To start our measurement, place your tape measure to the inside front edge of the bulkhead. Pull your tape measure and measure to the inside of the bed. This example, it's going to measure 77.5 inches. Our website lists this truck as 6.5 foot bed, as we list manufacturer specs on our website. Truck bed lengths will vary slightly. We are going to select 6.5 foot, even though this truck bed measures just over 6.5 foot. A couple things to note when shopping for a cover for your truck are special applications such as Rambox, Carbon Pro bed, or whether or not your truck is equipped with a track system. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and if you have any questions or you want to make sure that you're ordering the correct cover for your truck, please give our customer service department a call at 1-888-554-8789 or shoot us an email at customerservice@worksport.com. Thanks guys, and have a great day.